Hey, how you doing? It's Pat here. I thought I would take the time today to show you Texas 118. This road goes from north to south from Alpine to Study Butte, but I'm actually going north right now. This is the way I brought in to Big Bend, and I thought I would show you this road because it has some amazing features about it. It has a couple boring straight slots too, but overall, it's an amazing road. But not like you have much of a choice. It's about the only way in or out. I don't know if it's open, but that building up there is Border Patrol. It was open when I came down through a few days ago. And yes, Border Patrol was open. I didn't film, they didn't ask. I just know you're not supposed to. Alright, as we're finishing up this route of 11-8, or not 1118, but Texas 118, we're almost in Alpine. One thing to note, between Alpine and Study Butte, even though I like to call it Study Butte, there are no facilities of any kind. It's just wide open road like this. How many miles was it? 80, I think? 80 or 90 miles between them, so make sure you have plenty of gas. And when you're in the Study Butte and Terlingua area and all that, I've only found regular 87 fuel, which I know the Beamer don't really care much, but in case it really matters to you, there is nothing but regular fuel that I found anywhere, and be prepared to pay a lot higher price. The other day when I was in Alpine up here coming through, gas was basically $3 a gallon. Down there in Study Butte, it's $4 a gallon, and I can't think of the other town. I'll put something here. It was over $5 a gallon. So it is a very, very remote area and very few roads. Yeah, the first little bit when you're leaving Alpine to head south, there's a lot of this, a lot of corners. Wasn't as much fun in my truck as it is on the bike. Is that road really mile high? Probably won't show up, but there's the town of Alpine. Well, I made it to Davis with just a few miles to spare. Not sure what's going on, but I'm here at Stripes and most of the pumps are out of order, but I was lucky enough to get a full tank. Gentleman in front of me gave me a couple gallons of gas because he overpaid and left before I could offer him any money. So that was wonderful of him. All right, well, I kind of hope you enjoyed this. Yeah, be careful on gas. If you would, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't, please subscribe down below. And I'm going to go ride some more and see what I can see and hopefully not run out of gas. All right, thanks.